This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hey, have you ever asked yourself how do social media accounts really get hacked? In this beginner-friendly cybersecurity breakdown, I'll explain how hackers target platforms like Facebook and other social medias, and more importantly, how can you protect yourself from being hacked. Remember, this is an educational purpose video. Please don't try this or do any illegal thing with this information. For this information, I'm showing you how to protect yourself so that you can avoid being hacked and other stuff. So without further ado, let's just dive straight to the video. The first thing that you have to do, have a Kali Linux, or most of hackers, they use Kali Linux to break into your social media. And what they do most of the time, they go to this platform here, which is called the S Toolkit. So inside the S Toolkit, most of the time, what they do, they open it right like that, and then what they can do, they can go to social engineering attacks, since they're gonna attack your account, all right. And then the second thing that you can do, they can go to website attack vectors. So now they're not gonna do any phishing vectors or any wireless. For now, they're gonna do website attack, which is number 2. After that, what can you do? Because remember, their goal is to steal your information. Their goal is to steal your Facebook information. So that's why it's mostly important that you keep your information hidden, and also you avoid like clicking links, or you avoid clicking unwanted links. So what they do mostly, they're gonna use this credential stuff, which is number 3 mostly. And then what they're gonna do now, since they're gonna attack your Facebook, they might use Cyclone, or if they attack like your Google and stuff, they're gonna use web templates, and then and other, sometimes depending on the social media, they can also use custom imports. So for now, we're gonna make an example. If like maybe they attack your social media, which is Twitter, they're gonna use web templates, So once they download that web template time, what they're gonna do, it's gonna ask them like the IP address. So for the IP address, it's just your local IP address. Copy and paste it exactly. All right, now, so it's gonna ask them if they wanna get into your Google or Twitter or Java required. So let's say they wanna go to your Twitter or your Google. So for Google, they're gonna use number 2, or for Twitter, it's gonna be number 3. So let's say they're gonna use your Google accounts. So as you can see now, they are waiting for you to click the link that they're gonna send. So what they're gonna do mostly, once they have this machine here waiting for you exactly, they're just gonna use their IP address or their local IP address, right? So every information that you're gonna put there, it's gonna come back to their IP address, or this information that they created, or this template that they have created here. So what is gonna happen is, like, maybe when you open the browser, or they send you an email, they tell you your account is being hacked, or your account security is bad, or they send you an email, they tell you your Google account is not saved, you need to click this link. So once you click that link, let's say they send you that link with your IP address on. So now what they're gonna do, they're just gonna go to this platform where you can just change, let's say create a short link. All right. So they're just gonna go to these social medias. They say we're gonna go to short URL, and what they're gonna do, they're gonna put their IP address here, and they're gonna click short. So now they have a URL no longer this, so they're gonna copy this one, and then they're gonna send via your email and stuff. They tell you, see, maybe your account is being hacked, or your account needs to upgrade their security, or you need to click this link to check your account. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna click that link. Once you click that link, you're gonna click and go, right? And once you do that, so now it is like you just giving them like the access to your platform and stuff like that. So once they have that, let's go here again. So once they have your Google right now, what's gonna happen, let's say now you put your information on Google, you put your password, and you're trying to log in. So once you logged in, it's gonna happen like this, right? And then what they're gonna do now, they're gonna have your information. So as you can see here, your password is FF, and then your Your login username is FGTF, then the password is 785655, right? So what they're gonna happen now, as you can see, now they're gonna have your information. So which means now it's gonna be easy for them to just log into your account or your Google account and do whatever they have. So how to protect yourself from doing this? Every time you get an email that tells you account is not safe, you need to click a link. Please do not click that link. All you have to do, you can just go straight to your account or Google account and then just use your original Google account and check if your account doesn't is not like really safe or stuff like that. But then that's the only way you can try to avoid. So it doesn't matter if it's Google, if it's Facebook, if it's any account, just to avoid being hacked or any stuff. Please try to avoid clicking any link, because the moment you click a link, you give them access or they get all information about you, and now it's gonna be hard for you to have access to your information. Now it's gonna be hard for you to have access to your own world and stuff like that. So the only way to avoid this is, please guys, please stop clicking links that you don't know anything about, because once you click that link, you're actually giving someone else your information. You're actually giving someone else your information, and now they can use the information against you. They can log in, they can do some other bad things or illegal things using information, and then who's gonna get in trouble? It's you who's gonna get in trouble. So to avoid that, please stop clicking links that you don't know. Even if you get a link in your Gmail, please don't click that link. You rather go straight to your account and then just hit on Gmail, ask them what's going on. You see that your account is not safe, and then they're gonna tell you exactly. So it's better to talk to Gmail supports or Facebook or any social media rather than clicking links that you don't know anything about, even if it's inbox, even if like they tell you about commission. Because sometimes like they're gonna send you a link like this competition where they tell you have won money, stuff like that, and then now you're gonna click that link. So once you click that link, when they tell you have won a competition, what's gonna happen? Once you click that link, they're gonna tell you maybe log in with your Facebook, and then once you do that, you give them information. Now they're gonna have your access to Gmail and stuff, and then they can do some bad things to you. They can attack you in some other way. So I hope this video is helpful. If it is helpful, please click the like and comment below and tell me which other way do you want me to show you to avoid being hacked or any other stuff of being hacked. Yeah, I really appreciate your love also. Thank you for watching, and I'm out.